Hello, welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'm introducing you to a portable solar generator, 500 watts, and it's come with lithium-ion battery. Can you see it is very portable, very portable. This is the AC part. It is on right now. It is in use, and this is the USB part and the DC part also. As you can see, it's very portable and it's good. So this is the charging part, and this is the where the battery level is displayed. We are using it right now, and it is connected to industrial fan, that is 160 watt fan, and see it, and it is working perfectly. So, and it's very affordable. See, you want to connect the phone to it. Can you see it now? It's charging. It's working perfectly, and it's very affordable. If you want to get it, you can contact me on 081655359333. And also, it comes with 150 watt solar panel. See now, that is the indicator that is charging. Can you see it? It's charging back, and it's charged with AC2. You have the adapter that you use to charge it. It comes with the adapter to charge it. If you want this in your house, in your shop, in your working place, you can contact us.